Good morning, my dear students. In the last class, we discussed about some states that lie in the northern plain. Today, we will read about few more states that lie in the northern plains and the life of people in this region. So, children, let us study about West Bengal. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra have made the plains of West Bengal very fertile. Rice and jute are the main crops that grow here. Jute is used to make ropes, bags, and carpets. So, children, the plains of West Bengal is very fertile. Why is it fertile? Because of two rivers. So, the river Ganga and the river Brahmaputra, these two rivers have made the plains of West Bengal, and that is why it is very fertile. Now, children, what do you understand by the term fertile? Fertile means that on this type of land we can grow huge quantities of crops. So that is fertile. Now children, two crops that are the main crops of West Bengal are rice and jute. Both these are the main crops that grow here. And children, jute is used to make ropes, bags and carpets also. Now, let us read the second paragraph. The people of the state speak Bangla. They are fond of painting, music, dance, and literature. Durga Puja and Basant Panchami are the most popular festivals. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Darjeeling is a popular place of tourist interest. Fishery is an important occupation in the coastal regions. So, children, people of West Bengal speak mostly Bangla and they are very fond of painting, music, dance, as well as literature. Now, children, Durga Puja and Basant Panchami are their most popular festivals which people celebrate in West Bengal. And as we all know, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Now, children, Darjeeling, which is a very popular hill station and a popular tourist attraction place, so many people from far and near come to visit Darjeeling. Now, lastly, children, which is an important occupation of the people in coastal region? It is fishery. So, people who live near the sea coast, children, they mostly catch fish. So, fishery is their main occupation. Now, children, let us read about Assam. Assam is in the northeast of India. Rice and jute are the main crops. Assam is famous for its tea. Assam has huge deposits of petroleum. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Guwahati is the largest city. Assamese is the main language and Bihu is the main festival. Now, children, Assam lies in the Brahmaputra basin. In which basin? Brahmaputra basin. So, river Brahmaputra flows through Assam. Now, children, as we all know, Assam lies in the northeast part of India, and here, children, rice and jute are the main crops grown by the farmers. Now, Assam, children, is also very famous for its tea. So, tea is grown in huge quantities here in Assam. And, children, Assam has also huge deposits of petroleum. So, Assam has huge deposits of petroleum, and Digboi is a place in Assam where petroleum is found. Now, children, Dispur is the capital of Assam, and Guwahati is the largest city of Assam. Which is the largest city of Assam? Guwahati. And, children, lastly, the main language of Assam is Assamese, and Bihu is their main festival. Now, children, let us do this activity. Name the states to which the following festivals belong. So, first picture, children, you can see Bihu is celebrated. So, here Assam will be the answer. So, Bihu is celebrated in Assam. In the second image, children, it shows Durga Puja. So, West Bengal will be the correct answer. And in the third, children, here it will be Punjab. The answer will be Punjab. So, first is Assam, second is West Bengal, and third will be Punjab. Now, children, let us read about Tripura. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh on all three sides. Agartala is the capital of the state. Rice and jute are the main crops. Bamboo is also grown here. It is used to make handicrafts. Bangla is the main language spoken by the people. So, children, Tripura also lies in the Brahmaputra basin and it is surrounded by our neighboring country, Bangladesh. And it is surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides or on three sides. Now, children, Agartala is the capital of Tripura, and here also rice and jute are the main crops which are grown here in Tripura. Now, bamboo is also grown here in large quantities, and with bamboo, children, people make handicraft items. Handicraft means craft items which are made by the hands of people. So, those are handicraft items. So, bamboo is used to make handicraft items, as you can see in the image which is given just beside this paragraph. So, such type of decorative items or decorative pieces are made from bamboo, and these are used to decorate our houses. And lastly, children, Bangla is the main language spoken by the people in Tripura. Now, children, with this, we have completed the third chapter, which is the Northern Plains. Please learn the new terms. It is very important, and write it down in your copy also. Now, children, with this, I'll be sending you all the short exercises and the question answers. Write it down in your copies. Write all the exercises and the question answer, everything in your copy. And I will see you in the next class, children. Thank you.